So my channel is monetized. I put in a lot of work. I work really hard, yet I'm still broke because YouTube doesn't pay me every month. My channel doesn't earn up to $100 every month. So YouTube doesn't send me paycheck every month. There are a lot of YouTubers going through this right now. Your channel is monetized, you put in a lot of work, yet you don't earn up to $100 every month. If this is you, come closer because I want to show you the 6 reasons why you are not making at least $100 from your channel every month. Now, if your channel is not monetized yet, this is more important to you than even those that are monetized because you need to learn exactly what works and implement it. So the moment your channel is monetized, you start making reasonable amount of money from the work you put in here. I will tell you the 6 reasons why you are not making a lot of money from your channel. For every reason I show you, I will give you a solution, what you can do to correct that, because this effort you're putting in deserves to be compensated. So let's get into it. Let's start with the condition for monetization. For you to monetize on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The moment you achieve this milestone, YouTube will be placing advert on your videos and they will be paying you for the advert. For you to get paid every month, you need to make a minimum of $100. That is the threshold. Now, let's talk about the threshold. Once you are monetized, you need to earn a certain amount of money every month before YouTube pays you. For those that are monetized in dollars, the threshold is $100. Every month you do not earn up to $100, the payment will be carried over to the next month. Until it meets up to $100, you will be paid. So there are some creators that don't earn up to $100, and that's why they don't get paid every month. Now, this threshold depends on the currency you are monetized in because there are different thresholds for different currencies. Have a look at this. You can see where YouTube says threshold values by currency. I want you to focus on this column that says payment threshold. You can see it for those that are monetized in US dollars, it's $100. Australian dollars is 100. And as you scroll down, you see different currencies and different amount of money you have to earn in a month before YouTube pays you that. So there are different thresholds for different currencies. I'm assuming you're monetized in dollars. So before you get paid every month, you must earn up to $100. So at the end of the day, YouTube is going to take the tasks and then give you the remaining one. But here's the truth. This channel that earns you $50, $20, 30 cents can actually earn you $100, $300, $500, $1,000 every single month. So for a moment, I want you to imagine you earn $1,000 from your channel every month. If you live in Nigeria, you know how much this is. $1 right now is about 1,300. So let's do the calculation. Let's say you earn $1,000. So we have 1,000 times 1,300. That's 1.3 million from your channel. Now, believe me when I say this is possible because there are a lot of channels that are earning even more than this. So if you're not earning this amount yet, here are the 6 reasons. The first reason why you don't earn up to $100 a month is because of low views. Once your channel is monetized, YouTube is no longer paying attention to how many subscribers you have, but how many views you get on the video. So if your channel is monetized, you are getting 400 views, 300, 800 views on every video you upload, and you don't even upload a lot of videos on your channel. At the end of the month, you will struggle so hard to earn up to $100. The second reason why you are still broke, even as a monetized channel, is low watch time. If people open your video and leave almost immediately, they will not see those adverts YouTube placed on the video. So you will not make anything reasonable from those videos. This is why retention rate is very important, whether you're monetized or not. Say, for example, you uploaded a 9-minute video and YouTube placed 3 adverts on the video. People open the video and leave almost immediately. They will not see those adverts. So as a monetized channel, average view duration is very important because it is what determines how many adverts these people see, and how many adverts they see determines how much you get paid. The third reason why you're not making a lot of money from your channel is your audience location. This is one of the biggest and most important factors that determine how much you earn from YouTube. So the geographic location of your audience matters a lot when it comes to how much you earn. If you get a lot of views from the US, UK, Canada, the first world countries, you will make a lot of money compared to this other creator whose viewers are predominantly from the third world countries, Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and all of that. Let's make it practical. Mr. A uploaded video, Mr. B uploaded video, same topic, the same duration of video, the same length. Now, Mr. A is getting views from Canada, from UK, from US. Mr. B is getting views from Nigeria, from Ghana, from Cameroon. No disrespect to these people though. The amount of money Mr. A will make will be 10 times more than how much Mr. B will make from same video, same number of views. And the reason is because advertisers are willing to pay a lot of money to get views from these countries. The moment people who watch your video are coming from this angle other than this, your revenue will multiply even without getting more views than this person. And that's why it's important to target people from first world countries. If you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that your views are coming from these top world countries to be able to make a lot of money. You don't want to miss this part. The fourth reason, and this one is the biggest, is your niche. Yes, your niche affects how much you earn from your channel. There's something called high CPM and low CPM. By the way, CPM means cost per million. It's what advertisers pay. RPM is what YouTube gives you out of what the advertisers give them. So there are some niches that attract more revenue than others. On YouTube, all niches are not born equal. There are some niches that you'll be in, you will make a lot of money even without getting a lot of views. Then on the other hand, there are niches you play in, you will get thousands, hundreds of thousands of views, but you will not make a lot of money simply because the niche is a low CPM niche. So here is a list of high CPM niches, and here is a list of some low CPM niches. You can pause this video now and take note of it. Now the question is, what if you're already playing in those niches that are low CPM? Hold on, because I'm going to tell you what you can do that will help you make a lot of money. You don't really have to switch your niche entirely because it will affect your audience. If you are yet to create a channel and your goal is to grow and monetize really fast, you want to make a lot of money from YouTube, please focus on creating content in this high CPM niche. Now, here's the truth. If two people create video, they get same number of views, let's say 1,000 views each. This person in high CPM niche can actually earn up to $20 or 1,000 views, and this person will earn less than $1 for this same number of views simply because of the niche they play in. So it's important you pay attention to the niche before you jump on YouTube. The fifth reason why you are still broke is short videos. First is creating only short videos. Okay, so YouTube Shorts don't pay a lot of money. If your goal is to make a lot of money, you need to consider creating long videos. And the second part of it is making shorter videos. If your channel is monetized, do well to create videos that are 8 minutes and above. The reason is because there's something called mid-roll adverts. YouTube plays mid-roll adverts on only videos that are 8 minutes and above. So if a video is anything less than 8 minutes, you cannot have adverts inside the video. You can only have the advert at the beginning and at the end. So it can only be 2 adverts. But if the video is 8 minutes and above, you can have up to 4 adverts on one video. And the truth is that the number of adverts placed on a video helps a lot in generating more revenue for that video. The sixth reason why you are still broke, even as a monetized channel, is no monetization strategy. There are a lot of creators that start creating content hoping on the AdSense money alone. But the truth is, there are over 6 different ways you can make money from your content creation other than YouTube AdSense. Now let's talk about the solution. How to start making more money from your channel. The first one is to focus on getting more views. And one of the ways to do that is to think of the struggles your audience is going through. What are the things that your audience is going through? What problem do they have? Can you provide solution to it? The moment you start creating content that solves problem for your audience and you're able to optimize your channel using relevant keywords, you will start getting YouTube's attention, and that means you will start getting more views. More views means more money. The second solution is to create longer value-packed videos. Remember when I said that YouTube places mid-roll adverts on videos that are 8 minutes and above? If your video is anything less than 8 minutes, you will not have that mid-roll advert, and that means you will not make a lot of money. So learn to create longer videos and remember to make it valuable, because that's the only way people are going to watch all the way through. The next secret that will help you make a lot of money from your videos is to target people from first world countries. If you start getting views from the US, UK, or Canada and all that, you will definitely multiply how much you make right now. The truth is, you can actually attract people from these countries. Yes, you can. Have a look at this video, for example. If you click on audience and you scroll down here, you are going to see top geographies. You can see Nigeria, United States, Kenya, South Africa, United Kingdom. And if you click on this, you're going to see it even in more detail, see more countries. Most of this audience coming from first world countries. That's why I was able to make a lot of money from this video. Now, how can you attract people from first world countries? I made this video here explaining every single thing I did to get these views from these countries. So yes, you need to go and watch this video right now if you want to start getting views from the UK, US, Canada, and Australia. Check the link in the comments to watch this video. The next biggest solution is to adjust your niche or your content angle. You don't necessarily have to change niche to another one, but you can adjust your content angle. So if your niche is lifestyle vlog, which doesn't pay a lot, you can start adding educational content, problem solving content, and valuable insight. This type of content gets more money than those vlogs. The sixth thing you can do right now to make a lot of money from your content is to stop relying on AdSense alone. There are so many other ways you can make money from your content other than AdSense. One of them is merchandise, which is sales of your product and services. It can be digital product, it can be physical product, it can be a coaching, consultation, one-on-one. What is that thing that you do that you can actually offer service on it? A lot of us are making money daily from digital products. The second thing you can do is to use affiliate marketing. Yeah, affiliate is one of the easiest way to start making money, extra money as a creator. You don't have to create the product. You sell other people's product. Another source of income you can add to this is brand deals. Now, as a beginner, these brands might not come to you. You have to go to them. Either way, make sure you're getting extra source of income other than AdSense. Now, if you like to know exactly how this thing is done step by step, you want me to hold your hands and teach you everything about growing a channel and even monetizing your channel using different methods, then reach out to me. Let's do a one-on-one coaching. See the link in the first comment as well as the one in the description to sign up for my program. I am here to help you not just create and grow your channel, but also monetize your knowledge and experience.